To download the installer of the Contoso Demo Invoicing app, you navigate to this URL. Then you click the Contoso Invoice app. Click the Contoso Invoicing Setup.zip. Over here in the right corner, click this download icon where it says download raw file. This will download a packaged version of Contoso. Then we go to your downloads folder, either by clicking here or simply just navigating to the downloads folder in your Explorer. This is a zip, so we need to extract it. I right click, choose extract all and just go with the default location. I can click extract. Then this folder came up. I can double click to open it. Now you want to double click the Contoso Invoicing Setup executable. This is the application installer. Then I can click next. Choose a location. I'll just go with the default. So I'll say next, next, and hit close. Then I can close this, and you will see a shortcut on your desktop. Here I can double click to open it. This will open up the application. You can't click everything here in this application since it's just a demo application. What we can do is, for example, click the invoices. Here you see a history, and if I want to create a new record, I can go up and hit new record. I can fill in a date, for example, like this. An account, that could be a company name. A contact email, let's go with this. An amount and a status in this dropdown. Let's say it's paid, and I can save it. Now it's part of the history. We can add more records. In case you want to reset the history, that is, if I close and open it up again, you will see that our record is in the history. So if I want to reset data, I can close it and then I can open up the File Explorer. Here I want to navigate to my Documents folder. Mine is on Documents. Here you will see a folder called Contoso Invoicing. Double click to open it and double click to open up the Excel. It looks like this. Then you can navigate to Invoices, and down here you will see the Jensen org entry, which we just made. Mark the entire row and then right click, hit delete. Now it's gone. Remember to save the Excel. Do like this and close it, close this. Now we can open up the invoicing app and this record is gone. I can also choose to open it directly. I don't need this shortcut. So let's say I, for example, have deleted this shortcut. I can open it by going to C:, most likely your program files down here, the Contoso Inc., Contoso Invoicing, and choose to double click the legacy invoicing app. Your next video where we will use the Contoso Invoicing app to automate invoice processing is right here.